everyone, it's Bubbles from venomfluidart. Thank you for joining us on another amazing week on the Fluid Art Express with the fantastic art family. So today I'm starting off with some dry results there. We've been trying out some new colours and some new CAs, and I don't usually show dried results because I forget. So today's the day. Don't expect it next week, it probably won't happen, but anyway. Yeah, so today we're going to rock a little bit of Inferno. I think I've got some Harry and Wilma orange. I used a Liquitex red. Gorgeous red, actually. I'll show you that one. Really deep red. That camera doesn't sort of give it the depth it sort of deserves. But I also used a bit of white gold by Harry and Wilma. And Beetle Blue, believe it or not, with this palette from Eye Candy. When I first seen that colour, I sort of went, looks a bit average, but it is a really freaking cool colour. It's what it does to other colours. Give it a go. So, one more colour, nearly forgot. My Harry and Wilma Deep Crimson. Beautiful colour. Doesn't quite have the guts of the Grenache, but by TLP, but still pretty beautiful. And I think I did say my Inferno. Yep, love the Inferno. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we'll have some bloomin' fun, and you can see how this one come together. So kick back, let's listen to some tunes and have some fun.
I see the darkness all around, trying to find my way out, trying to find my way out. My heart, it wanders through the night, searching for the starlight, searching for the starlight. Will I find my way back home? Will I find my way back home? I'm moving through the shadows, I'm moving through the shadows. I'm following the light home. I know I'll see tomorrow. I'm moving through the shadows. The future's right in front of me. I'm never gonna let go. I'm never gonna let go. I'm moving through the shadows. I'm moving through the shadows. I'm following the light home. I know I'll see tomorrow. journey through the darkness, through the deepest and the hardest. I wear the scars like tattoos, every single break and bruise, so I know what the cost is. I'll go through anything to get where I wanna be. Nothing you throw at me gonna knock me off of my feet. It might take everything, so if you want it, you gotta be ready to bleed. 'Cause I'll go through anything, and you're gonna have to go through me. You're walking it like you're Goliath, but do you really wanna try it? They tell me that you're 10 feet tall, they tell me you can never fall, but I don't really buy it. I'll go through anything to get where I wanna be. Nothing you throw at me gonna knock me off of my feet. It might take everything, so if you want it, you gotta be ready to bleed. 'Cause I'll go through anything, and you're gonna have to go through me. Anybody tell you it's gone way too far? No, nothing gonna help you when it falls apart. The prophets and the preachers told you, but you covered your ears, and now the end is near. Gonna tear it all down, gonna tear it all down, gonna tear it all down, gonna tear it all down. Call it revolution, call it whatever you need. Make a resolution, battle till you bleed. Prophets and the preachers warned you, but you waited too long, and now your chance is gone. Gonna tear it all down, gonna tear it all down, gonna tear it all down, gonna tear it all down.
Alright guys, well, don't think I can spin that out anymore. That's pretty cool. So, yeah, I'm hooked on this new colour palette. It's going to be seeing these colours for a while, I think. So I hope you enjoy, guys, and as always, thanks for watching, thanks for being here, and thank you for following my art family, not just on the Express, but all around the world. Amazing family of artists. Alright, now next up after me today we have the dynamic duo of Tony and Kat Pender from the Hippy Dippy Painter Man, so come on over and join us in the chat. Let's go and have some more fun. Until next time, take care, stay safe. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Go and get messy, have fun.